There's nothing wrong with the dishwasher. It's 3 niggers. One is my baby father, Mick. And the other 2 is fucking Polish and black fucking retards that can't handle dishwashers. So they're playing around on a fucking computer. So I have to empty the water. This is my 3rd time now. I've been having this dishwasher for about 3 years. I've had a few problems because of the same thing, Mick and whoever else playing with computers affecting my dishwasher. Other than that, it's perfect. $250 from Walmart, my Walmart. And the city of Buffalo cannot handle an older model countertop dishwasher, which we have so many online that it doesn't make any sense. They can't handle it. I don't know what is that all about. So they associate a dishwasher with a sex offense, and I don't know how that's associated at all. This magnet is a dishwasher magnet. Her turn. On the other side, it says his turn. This Frenchie, goes with the decor. So that's not the issue. It's not touching any wood. So that's not the issue. It's their fucking destructive ass dyslexic niggers. That's just what it is. Jealous and stupid, annoying. Don't nobody want to do business with either of them. And I don't give a fuck. I shouldn't be harassed because I got a countertop dishwasher. So